Your spinal discs lose up to 20% of their water every single day. And if you're not replacing it the right way, you're on your way to back pain, stiffness, and groaning every time you get up from the chair if you're not doing that already. So today, I'm breaking down why dehydration is destroying your spinal joints and discs, cranking up inflammation, and making simple tasks feel impossible. Plus, I'll share 5 simple hydration strategies that can help reduce your pain and keep you moving like someone 20 years younger. I'm Dr. Ryan Wolfert, and I'm going to be straight with you. If someone told you 5 years ago that drinking water differently could help with your back pain, you probably would have rolled your eyes. I get it. You've heard all the simple fixes before, and none of them worked. But here's what's actually happening inside your body that nobody's explained to you the right way. You know those discs in your spine? They're 70 to 80% water. They're basically cushions keeping your bones from grinding together. Every single day, just from standing, sitting, moving through life, they compress and lose water. That's why you're actually shorter at night than you are in the morning. Your discs squeeze down all day. Then they're supposed to rehydrate while you sleep. But here's the problem. If your body doesn't have enough water to work with, those discs stay compressed. They can't bounce back. Everything starts hurting. The same thing happens with your joints. They're surrounded by this fluid that's basically natural joint oil. It's called synovial fluid. When you're dehydrated, your body makes less of it. Less cushioning means more friction. More friction means more pain. I see this all the time with people who come to me saying, I've tried everything and nothing works. Well, when you look at their daily habits, they're barely drinking water, or they're surviving on coffee or soda all day, which can actually make it worse. Now, the good news is you can address this pretty easily. All it takes is a little simple and consistent effort. So let's go over these 5 simple hydration strategies right now. Number 1, make sure you're drinking half of your body weight in ounces each day. So if you're 160 pounds, that's 80 ounces. Now drink more if you're sweating or you're active, and don't wait until you're thirsty. By then, you're already behind. Number 2, start every morning with water before your coffee. You just went 8 hours without drinking anything. Your body needs water first. Get at least 8 ounces first thing, and even up to 24 or 32 ounces. Number 3, and this is huge, add a pinch of Himalayan sea salt to your water or use electrolytes. Down in the description, I provided links for my favorite. Now, this helps your cells actually hold on to the water instead of just flushing it through. Now we have number 4, make sure you're eating water-rich foods. Watermelon, cucumbers, celery, oranges, strawberries. They're over 90% water, and they give you nutrients that help your joints at the same time. And lastly, cut back on the caffeine and alcohol. Both of them dehydrate you. So balance every cup of coffee or soda with a glass of water. Or maybe switch to herbal teas. That's a great way to hydrate without caffeine or added sugar. This is how you support your spine naturally. No pills, no injections, no side effects other than maybe going to the bathroom a little bit more. But that's a great side effect because it gets you up and moving and out of your chair so you're not sitting there all day. And really, this isn't just about pain relief. This is about staying strong and independent. Dehydration speeds up how fast your joints break down. Proper hydration protects them. It keeps you from becoming the person who just has to sit there on the sidelines watching everyone else live their lives. Now, if you want to dive a little bit deeper and figure out exactly what's going on with your specific situation, your posture, your activities, what's really driving your pain, just go ahead and click the first link in the description and you can book a virtual house call with me. We can do this no matter where you are in the world, and I'll give you the next best steps to address your specific issues, not just give you generic advice. And that way you can be your own guarantee for your health and your life.